Jinya Kazantsev is a recent college graduate and now full-time job seeker.
I'm trying for a management position.
So far, Jinya says it's a challenge.
There's a lot of applicants in the pool, especially for the really good jobs.
That's why Deborah Fine speaks to sold-out crowds to help teach people how to stand out when talking one-on-one during an interview, networking, or at a party.
I'm talking about developing rapport with conversation skills about something outside of the business conversation, the interview.
Her book focuses on the art of small talk.
It covers everything from remembering people's names, mastering introductions, icebreakers, keeping conversations going, listening skills, body language.
Her top tips include play the conversation game by knowing how you'll respond to basic questions like, how are you? Never answer it negatively. Use the situation to start a conversation like, how long have you worked here? Always listen and respond. The worst thing interview candidates can do is zone out. When mastering small talk for an interview, always do your background work. Let them know you have researched the company. Even if you only learn one fact, let them know about it. Also, it's okay to divulge something about yourself, but don't overshare. And one of the top tips to the art of small talk, know when to stop talking. For Kazantsev, she'll continue her job search by putting some of these tips into action.
You have to break the ice with people, get to know each other, and see if there is a future or a job opportunity in that connection.
Using small talk to make big changes, I'm Vanessa Welch reporting.